appointment management system in eProfitify allows you to dynamically add an appointment management widget on your website and allows the visitors to schedule an appointment like this. So here you can see they can pick an appointment like 45 minutes or 15 minutes, which the website owner or you can set in your panel here under the slot settings. So you can see you've got a 15-minute and 45-minute slot that you have created. You could create additional, let's say, 30-minute slots. And after that, you can set, for example, your availability between what time and what time. So anyways, we will not create a new slot. Instead, I will focus on demonstrating how it works. So a visitor comes to your website and they click on a date on which they want to schedule an appointment. And then they're going to, pick that appointment. So you can see here it is from 11:30 to 11:45. And then they can schedule an event. And the appointment has been booked. Now on your appointments calendar, you can see that you have an appointment now on the 30th as we had just booked. And what this allows you to do is you can see the details of the appointment request. You can also, during or after the appointment, make notes here about the meeting. And this allows the web owner like yourself to have the capability of doing CRM and tracking multiple meetings and making notes across. So for example, if you have a recurring meeting every week or every 2 weeks, you can create that event and you can always track the progress of your customer no matter what it is. So this can be used for any services business, be it a doctor, dentist, chiropractor, lawyer, accountant, home cleaning businesses, or anything else that needs to be scheduled, auto mechanic, depending on how you manage your shop and your day, right? So the benefit for this is that instead of just having a contact form such as this, which does deliver you a message, it does not populate your calendar, but with eProfitify calendar widget, you're basically able to go ahead and populate your calendar and basically improve your productivity. If you have any questions about this, you can leave in the comments below. You can leave them in the comments below. And if you have any other questions or you'd like to see demo, you could initiate a chat from the eProfitify support chat on the website